Yeah, okay. Vishjeet, my screen. Share.
It's on spotlight.
Yeah. Yes. All the sweet and dear players, I can see you on the screen, and all my colleagues, my coaches and my fraternity who is from table tennis. So lovely children, today in Khelo India E-Pathshala with collaboration with the Sports Authority of India and Table Tennis Federation of India, we welcome Dr. Sumiti, a prominent coach of Sports Authority of India, working since 26 years inside, and she has given her important services in Puducherry, Thiruvananthapuram, and Chennai. She produces 600 players and worked very hard with the grassroots level players in different schools. She is attached with many state camps and national camps for the women's. So today she is taking exercises on flexibility. As all you know that flexibility is the important component for table tennis. If you have a flexibility, then only you can move fast and you have a less injuries. So today we will have experience with Dr. Sumiti, and we will listen and we will active. We do exercise with her and enjoy the session. So children, welcome Dr. A. Sumiti. Dr. Sumiti, now screen is yours. Please welcome and start your session, please.
Thank you for the wonderful session, ma'am. Thank you so much. Welcome all the children for the today's session on topic flexibility. So all of you get ready. Before getting ready, you please have a bottle of water next to you and bring one small towel, or you can have a scale like this, wooden scale, or a plastic scale to do one particular exercise. Keep it next to you. And before starting the session, wear the socks. So see to it that your flooring is not slippery. Okay? I'll give you 30 seconds. Get ready.
सभी टेबल टेनिस के छोटे छोटे बच्चे, प्रियांशी शर्मा, खुशबू नेगी, प्रियांशी इज वेरी रेगुलर, एंड चेन्नई एसटीसी बच्चे, छोटे छोटे बच्चे सब गेट रेडी. वेरी गुड. मिष्टी चौहान, ललित बिष्ट, तो बच्चों एक्सरसाइज करनी भी है. मैम के साथ आप सबको एक्सरसाइज करनी है. अक्षिता बोरा, गेट रेडी फॉर द एक्सरसाइजेस. निंज लखानी, so okay, ready?
All of you are ready? Vishwajit sir, I request you, good evening. I request you to put on first slide.
Is it visible, ma'am?
So as we fixed today, flexibility exercise for table tennis. Next slide, please. Vishwajit sir, next slide. Yeah. Children, what is the flexibility? It means the ability to bend or to be bent easily without breaking. You can improve your flexibility by doing a lot of flexibility exercises today, which we'll be doing it together. Okay? Next slide, sir. Yeah. The first exercise which we are going to do, start from the head, neck flexion, extension, stretch, forward and then backward. Shall we start, children? Ready? Start. 1. We will be doing our around 6 sets, right? Start. 1. Come to the center and then go back. That is 1 count. Likewise, we'll be doing it as 6 counts. Ready? 1. Touch your chin to your neck. Hold on for a few seconds. Come back. Again, stretch back. Hold on. Then get back. Let me see. Start again. Bend forward. Center. And then go back. Ready? We're all doing? I can see only 4 of you here on my screen. Next set. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Start again. 1. Touch your chin to your neck. Stay there. Get back. And then again, back to the center. Last one. Bend. Touch your neck. Bend down. Bend down. Touch your neck. Hold on. And then come to center. Then go back. Yeah. One more time. Start. Ready? 1. Come to center. Go back. Come back. Next slide, sir. Yeah. Next slide, sir. The second exercise which we are going to do is neck lateral flexion and stretch. Okay? One side and then to the other side. Ready? First your right. Bend. Hold on. Come back. Then stretch to the left. Push towards the shoulder. Come back to the center. The left, right. Hold on. And get back. So it is called one set. Going to the left and coming back to the right. So likewise 6 times. Again, start. Go close to the shoulder and slowly come back. Don't hurry up. जल्दीबाजी नहीं करने का. Don't lift your shoulders. Let the shoulders be in comfortable position. ठीक है, अपने shoulders को अपने जगह पे रखिए और move करिए. ठीक है? Two. The third one. Yeah, one more time. I would like to see the children doing one more time. Do it by yourself. Yeah, that's nice. Do it. Yeah. That's nice. Wonderful. Barabar. Next slide, Vishwajit ji. Yeah, this is the third exercise where we'll be doing. This particular exercise is called latissimus dorsi and posterior deltoid stretch. That is, link is given down. That is, link the hands, push elbows together. Okay, I'll give you a demonstration. Then we'll start doing it. Okay. Just take both the hands together. Okay. Up. Can you all see me now? My hands are visible. Yeah. Now, first, the way we do Namaskara, then same way you do the Namaskara upward, take it up, straight, and then both the hands opposite direction together, holding together. Okay, you can see the flexion of this. You can see some gap around my head. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा इसको ऊपर लेके जाना, ऐसे ही stretch, 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 stretch. As much you can stretch, you can stretch. Okay, don't try go much beyond. Stretch, hold on there for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then back to the normal. Come back. Relax. Yeah. Again, दोबारा वही नमस्कार करना, बिल्कुल शोल्डर्स पैरेलल रखना, बीच में हाथ ऊपर धीरे धीरे ऊपर लेके जाइए. जैसे जैसे ऊपर लेके जाएंगे तो साइड में पूरा स्ट्रेच हो जाएगा. साइड मसल्स, both the sides muscles will stretch nicely. Okay, then take it. Good. The other way around. Clap both the hands together. Suman ma'am, you can give a little Hindi version.
Yeah. बच्चे आप लोग अपने हाथ ऊपर खींचिए, दोनों हाथों को ज्वाइन करके. इससे आपका जो लैटिसिमस डोर्सी और डेल्टॉइड ग्रुप ऊपर से पूरा ऊपर की तरफ जाइए एंड स्ट्रेच योर बॉडी अपवर्ड. पूरा ऊपर की तरफ खींचिए अपने आप को.
Hold on.
And if you can stand, खड़े होकर अपनी बॉडी को पूरा खींच सकते हैं. अगर खड़े होकर आप खींच सकते हैं हर्षित, गुड गुड, डू इट. यू आर अ वेरी रेगुलर चाइल्ड, वेरी गुड. आद्या सिन्हा, these all are the regular attender. Very good. Good Harshit, well done.
You feel the stretch, children? थोड़ा खिंचाव मतलब समझ में आ रहा है ना? थोड़ा खिंचाव आपको बॉडी के ऊपर
आपके शोल्डर में और पीछे बैक में और हाथों में पूरा खिंचाव महसूस होगा आपको इस एक्सरसाइज से. स्ट्रेच एंड होल्ड. थोड़ी देर अपने आप को ऊपर खींच के रखिए. वेरी गुड.
नेक्स्ट, वन मोर टाइम. Totally 6. This third time we are doing it.
One more time. Very good.
Take it up. Clap together. Okay. Clap together. And stretch. 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 You can feel the neck muscles also shrunk. You feel some amount of tension around the neck where your muscles are activated. Not only the muscles, along with the muscles, your nervous system is also activated, and blood circulation will be at a more than normal flow. which you can feel it very well. That's wonderful. Hold on. Hold on. बहुत बढ़िया. Then come back slowly. Relax. Give a little relaxation to the shoulders. Again, 4th time. ठीक है? देखिए ये ऊपर, सीधा ऊपर. By now, you all must have come to know about it. How to do it? You can feel it. Stretch, stretch, stretch. As much as possible, you can stretch. But the stretch should be little beyond your comfort level. ये ऐसे comfort level में नहीं होना चाहिए. थोड़ा आपको खींचना है, अपने दोनों हाथों को ऊपर खींचना है. आपको दोनों साइड महसूस भी होगा, लेफ्ट साइड एज वेल एज राइट साइड. रिब्स के पास भी आपको फील होगा. अपने छोटे छोटे मसल्स जितने भी हैं वो पूरे स्ट्रेच होंगे. होल्ड ऑन.
संजीत मैडम को देखकर करिए एक्सरसाइज. अपने आप को स्ट्रेच करिए. वेरी गुड. रितेश, Ritesh, do the exercises. We can see you children. You are very nice. So sweet. Doing very well, Adya. Priyanshu Sharma, wonderful. बहुत अच्छे.
5th time. One more. Totally 6 times we are doing it. This is the 5th time we are doing it again. Okay. Clap it and stretch it. Hold on. 5 seconds. Slowly back. Relax your muscles, shoulder muscles. Take a full deep breath. The last time. Ready? Take it up slowly. Clap it here. And slim down your body posture. Go up, up. Very nice. Very nice. You're doing very well. बहुत बढ़िया. सीधा ऊपर और भी खींच सकते हो. Comfortable लेवल से थोड़ा आगे जाना पड़ेगा आप लोगों को. ठीक है? Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get back. Relax. All are doing well? Very good, very good, very nice. Can we move on to the next one? अगले exercise पे चले? Yeah, thank you. This particular exercise is called tricep stretching. Triceps are at your back. No, I'll turn to the back side so that I'll show you first front view. और उसके बाद पीछे का व्यू मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी. ठीक है? Both the hands up. Hold one hand. Hold your left hand to your back. Right hand, center portion of the right hand. इससे पकड़ के, elbow को पकड़ के आप अपनी तरफ खींचना है. Pull towards yourself to the right. You can feel a curve like this. See? It is not a straight posture. It's a curve. You have to pull yourself much beyond your comfort level. You have to remember whenever you do your flexibility exercise, you have to pull your body much beyond your comfort zone. Yeah. This is front view. Then I'll turn. Show you with the other hand. Hold on like this. Pull it. क्या समझ में आया बच्चों? सीखने को मिल रहा है ना? Very good. Start now. Start with your left hand folded. Head should be straight. ठीक है? Left hand को right hand से पकड़ना, elbow को, और धीरे से खींचना towards your right side. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then with the other hand. ठीक है? Fold your hand. Keep your neck straight. Pull. This is one set. ठीक है? सुमन मैम आप थोड़ा हिंदी में बोलिएगा.
ओके बच्चे, आप लोग अपने राइट साइड की एल्बो को ऐसे अपनी दूसरे हाथ से अपने लेफ्ट की तरफ लेके जाइए इस एक्सरसाइज में. होल्ड इट, होल्ड एंड स्ट्रेच.
Pull it. Yes, very nice.
नाउ योर मैम को देखिए और मैम के साथ अभी लेफ्ट को राइट की तरफ खींचिए.
जो हाथ आप बेंड में है उसको ढीला छोड़ दीजिए. ये हाथ से अच्छी तरह पुल कीजिए. ये हाथ को ढीला छोड़ दीजिए. Then the other hand, same way.
बेसिकली अपनी ट्राइसेप्स को पकड़कर, ट्राइसेप्स मसल्स होती है जिससे अपन टेबल टेनिस खेलते हैं, ऊपर उसको पकड़कर दूसरे हाथ से पकड़कर राइट टू लेफ्ट एंड लेफ्ट टू राइट खींचिए, स्ट्रेच करिए.
ये वाली एक्सरसाइज में आपको पहले वाली फीलिंग महसूस होगा, जैसे नेक मसल्स जितने भी हैं वो दोबारा एक्टिवेट हो जाएगा. along with your hand muscles, biceps, triceps. Very nice, very nice. Come on children, you can do it. Stretch. Comfort zone से बाहर आइए. जब comfort zone में आप रहेंगे तो you can't achieve anything. You have to come out of that. Good. Last, one more time. आप लोग कीजिए. देखती हूँ मैं कौन कौन कैसे कर रहा है. Do it, do it. Yes. Maitreen. Prasanna doing well. Come on, move little more. आपको बॉडी को बेंड मत करिए, बॉडी को स्ट्रेट रखिए. कीप योर बॉडी स्ट्रेट. या वंडरफुल. रिलैक्स. अभी थोड़ी देर के लिए शोल्डर मसल्स को रिलैक्स कीजिए. टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ.
वेल डन चिल्ड्रन. अच्छा किया है सबने. गुड. मैम सब लोग अच्छे से कर रहे हैं आपके साथ. सब अपने कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर आकर स्ट्रेच कर रहे हैं अपने आप को. गुड.
Okay. Now we'll move on to the next exercise. Okay, Vishwajit sir. Yeah, this is the fifth exercise which we are going to do. This is a shoulder rotator stretch using towel or pull up with the top arm and then down with the other. I'll read once again for you. Shoulder rotator stretch. This particular exercise is called. How we are going to do? Either we are going to do with the towel or with the scale or any blunt object, ruler or something else, whichever you have, you can do it with that. ठीक है? तो आपको इस तरह पकड़ना है. मैं सामने दिखा रही हूँ, पीछे की तरफ करना है. ठीक है? ऐसा पकड़ना है इनिशियली, बाद में धीरे धीरे आपको पास आना है. ठीक है? इस तरह. So that I will show it from my back end. So I am holding it like this, straight. धीरे धीरे आपको पास में लाना है. दोनों हाथ को पास में लाइए. And keep your posture straight. Hold on. Count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now get back and with the other hand. Hold the scale together with the other hand and keep moving, 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 moving. Come close. Keep your body straight. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax.
अक्षिता पीछे पकड़ो. आप आगे से यू आर नॉट डूइंग करेक्ट. मैम को देखा अभी आपने? अक्षिता बोला.
नेक्स्ट रिपीटिशन. टोटल 6 करना है हमको एक एक हाथ से. ठीक है, करिए. कम ऑन, डू इट.
अक्षिता, डू इट.
Start doing it. I'll be watching you people who are all doing it. रीच करना पड़ेगा. दोनों हाथ को आप साथ में लाइए. दूर से पास आ जाइए. Yes, very good. Bring your upper hand close to your ear so that you will be able to reach. Wonderful. Yeah. Yeah. Keep your legs down. Relax. Relax your lower portion of your body. Stretch upper portion of the body. Okay? Don't lift the body up. Only the upper portion should be lifted. The rest of the body position should be in a comfortable position. Relaxed manner. Yeah. Do it, do it. Prasanna. Kicho, lift. Pull பண்ணுங்க. Yes. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Other hand. Do it with the other hand. Yeah. Harish, you are doing very well. Come on, do it. Yeah. Lift your hand, Prasanna. Prasanna, your hand is not reaching. Come on. Pull. Lift up. यही क्या क्या है? इसको lift करो. Yeah. Pull. Yeah. Bring both the hands together. Wonderful. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wonderful. All of you are doing very well. Come on, children. You feel the stretch at your back, at your shoulders? By now your shoulders are warmed up. थोड़ा रिलैक्स करिए अपने shoulders को. Take a deep breath. बीच बीच में जब डीप ब्रेथ्स लेंगे आप कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन में आके दूसरा एक्सरसाइज करने में थोड़ा कंफर्ट लेवल आ जाता है आपको. ठीक है, यू विल गेट बैक टू योर कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन इफ यू टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ्स. ठीक है, we'll move on to the next slide, sir.
प्लेयर्स मैम बोल रही हैं कि हर एक्सरसाइज के बाद आपको ब्रीथ इन एंड ब्रीथ आउट करना है जिससे आप रिलैक्स हो सकें.
Now we have reached to the sixth exercise, which is called pectoral stretch at 90 degrees to 120 degrees. ठीक है, पहले अपने हाथ को मैं एक बार डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन दे देती हूँ. If you have anything, hold on to it next at the back of you is fine. Otherwise, you can reach your door and hold the handle. ठीक है, even otherwise, if you don't have that facility, you can call your brother or sister, whoever is there. You can have a just support for you. ठीक है, you can see in the picture very well how to move on. ठीक है, 90 degrees. This is from here to take it to the right and then take it to the back is 90 degrees. ठीक है, इसको क्या करना है? Slowly, slowly, slowly you have to stretch your shoulder muscle. Okay, and it goes up to the 120 degree level. ठीक है, do it. Start doing it. थोड़ा tricky है आप लोगों के लिए. Otherwise, you can imagine if something is there at your back. ठीक है, and then do it. Start from here, then take it to 90 degrees and then stretch back. Hold on from there to this is 90 degrees and come to 120 degrees with right hand. Yeah. Then you feel some sort of heaviness now. I think all the children must be feeling some amount of heaviness in the hand. थोड़ा बहुत heaviness आपको महसूस होगा when you do this stretching. Okay, same thing with the other hand. Take it from your chest to the 90 degrees and then back to the 90 degrees and then slowly come up and then hold on there at 120 degrees. You can feel a stretch at the shoulder as well as your neck muscles once again are involved in this particular exercise. Suman ma'am?
Yes, Tanusha, very good. You are doing very well. And go 120 degree, hold it and stretch it. And you will feel little load and stretching in your muscles hand. It is a total exercise for your arm muscle, your forearm, your triceps, biceps. मैम ग्रेजुअली मैम एक मसल से दूसरी मसल्स की तरफ और थोड़ा सा एक्सरसाइज हार्ड कर रही हैं, तो प्लीज चिल्ड्रन डू इट नाइसली.
Come on children, do it.
Come on, very good.
Start doing it.
Hold it, stretch and hold. Tanuja, very well. Devdarshini, good.
Relax and with the other hand again.
Arjit Das, very good. Divya Thakur, can't see you.
Yeah, one more repetition. 3 more repetitions are there. Start doing it.
With both the hands, turn by turn, both the hands. Playing hand and non-playing hand. Good, children.
Relax. With the other hand, do it with the other hand. दूसरे हाथ से करिएगा. Stretch. थोड़ा ऊपर, little up. हरीश थोड़ा ऊपर, lift up. కొంచెం మేల కొండుకోంగ. Yes, that's right. Get back. Get back. With the other hand again. $120 के ऊपर लाना है, मतलब you have to bring your hand from 90 degrees to 120 degrees. Only then you can feel a stretch in your hand. Wonderful. You don't turn. You keep your body straight. Only the hand has to go away from you. Don't turn like this. Only the hand should go up.
आप लोग अपने हाथ को 90 डिग्री लेवल से सीधा ले जाके पीछे की तरफ खींचिए. आपकी बॉडी फ्रंट से पीछे नहीं जाएगी, बट आपका हाथ पीछे की तरफ जाएगा. You look front and take your hand back side 90 to 120 degree. All of you, leave your comfort level. आराम से मत बैठो. एक्सरसाइज करने के लिए बॉडी को स्ट्रेच करो एंड इंप्रूव योर फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी. कोशिश करो बच्चों. सिद्धार्थ, with playing with the scale, not doing exercise. Come on everyone. Very good.
Keep the other hand on the other side. You should have a balance. ये हाथ को भी इस तरफ लेके मत आना. इस हाथ को नीचे ही रख के इस हाथ को लेके जाइएगा. Wonderful. That's
Shashi, very good. Left and right,
nice.
both hands.
All of you are doing it very well. Enjoying, children? And I want a smile on your face also. While doing exercise, you flex this one also. Yeah, that is beautiful. Now take a breath, full breath, relax. Next slide. Yeah, this is the 7th exercise which we'll be doing it. Bicep stretch. Hand apart. Just keep your body straight. I'll give a demo. You can do thing so that you will have a good stability and the center of gravity will also be perfect. Okay, it's a very simple exercise but very effective exercise. This is also like just 90 degrees se leke thoda stretch kariye and don't turn your body. Keep your back straight. Thoda niche ki taraf leke jaiye so that you will have a press on the sides. Stretch downwards. All your rib muscles, small muscles between the ribs will compress. That will give a sort of pressure on the muscles, on rib muscles. Stretch down. आपने पिक्चर देखा? Have you all seen the picture? Yeah, get back with other hand. Yeah, see that? You can see the picture very well. That's how you're supposed to do it. Leave your fingers free. No tension. No tension in the fingers. Fingers should be free. Only the hand should be stretched. Yeah. At the same time, you'll also feel a stretch at the chest muscles. Wonderful. Come back. Yeah, with the other hand, you don't turn. No need to, don't turn the body. Body should be straight. Face me, face your body to me and stretch. Yes, that's right. Yeah, wonderful. Yeah. And stretch, other hand, again. Go to the next. Stretch. Very good. Don't turn, don't turn, don't turn your hip. Keep your hip steady. Yeah. Wonderful. Give your fingers free so that blood circulation will be free. Flow. Suman ma'am.
Yes, yes. Ma'am,
Thoda
all are
hidden-
doing very well. Ritesh Kumar, don't be comfort. Very good. Do your
thoda
arm,
हिंदी में
stretch
translate
your
करिए.
backward, backward, stretch your backward. Akshita Bora, very well.
Other hand.
Vasumitra, good. The few names I cannot read because their phone name are coming, like F8D74A47. Galaxy M30 is doing very well.
Smile on the face. Yeah, that's wonderful. Last time. One more time. One more time.
Children, this is one hour actively you have to do all the exercise. Doing very well. Come on. Very good. Arjit Das.
When I can do, you all can do. Come on.
Yes. Vasumita, Siddharth, Harshit. All are doing very well.
Yeah, that's relax.
Shiv Kala Shubhrama. Do exercise. Bhavya. Bhavya. Do nicely. Remove your headphone and do the exercise. Ma'am ko dekh ke exercise karo. Good job, children. All the TT players. Great. Come on.
Okay, now relax, all of you. Take a deep breath. Sarji, next slide.
Vishji ji, next slide, please.
Next slide.
No slide is there, Vishji ji.
One moment, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you see the slide now, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Children, now we are moving on to the eighth exercise, flexibility exercise, which are very much involved in table tennis when we play during practice. This is called supraspinatus stretch. Keep elbow partially to ground. You can see the picture very well. Follow the picture. It will remain for some time with you. Okay? Just hold your hand, bring it to the 90 degrees, place it on your shoulder, okay, around your neck, like this, around your neck. Hold on with your other hand from bottom, from downward, okay, pull towards around your neck. Pull it close to your neck. The shoulder joint will become free. There will be no injuries when you play table tennis, even at a greater speed. Okay? Stretch, stretch, stretch. Relax. Do with the other hand also again. Hold it like this. Pull it around your neck straight. Smile on the face. Pull. Pull. Body shouldn't turn. Body straight. Only the hand you're supposed to pull towards your
अपनी हथेली में एल्बो को पकड़कर अपनी एल्बो को अपनी हथेली में पकड़िए ऐसे और फिर फिंगर फ्री एंड पीछे की तरफ लेके जाइए अपनी गर्दन के चारों तरफ. तो आपको जो स्ट्रेच फील होगा वो इस पूरे हाथ पे यहाँ फील होगा एंड बिहाइंड योर शोल्डर ऑल्सो. So everyone,
do it with the other hand again. Pull. Come out of the comfort zone, please. थोड़ा स्ट्रेच करना पड़ेगा आप लोगों को.
कितना ज्यादा आप खींच सकते हैं अपने आप को. यस, कोशिश करिए. All are table tennis player. Come on, come on.
Good, good children. You're all doing very well. Come on, fuck up.
Good job.
Do it with the other hand. You feel a stretch, nice stretch. Today's complete upper body stretch. Wonderful. I feel so good. How about you guys? Stretch, stretch, stretch. Yeah, again with the other hand.
Both hand, playing and non-playing, both hand. Come on. These all are very good exercise.
Especially table tennis, you need the upper body strength also. You need to be very strong with the upper body strength, which is greater use during playing
Adya,
practice.
very good. Adya Sinha, Shreyanshi, Prasanna, Devdarshini, very good.
Take a deep breath.
Matrian J, STC Chennai, very good. Mishti Chauhan, very good.
We'll move
Tanuja,
on to the next slide. Vishwajit sir. Yeah, this is the ninth one. Wrist extensor stretch. That means your wrist को आप थोड़ा extend करेंगे. Like just folding it like as if you are driving your bike. That is how you will be bending your hand by stretching backside. ठीक है? Wrist. You see the picture? Watch your picture and take your hands slightly back and then bend towards outer side as shown in the picture. Keep your elbow straight. Elbow not supposed to be bent. Yeah, that's it. You can feel a stretch with the other hand. Now with the other hand. Yeah, wonderful. I feel very nice doing it. Simple but very effective. टेबल टेनिस में तो रिस्ट का इस्तेमाल बहुत होता है, हर सेकंड इस्तेमाल होता रहता है ना? तो उसके लिए ये एक्सरसाइज बढ़िया है. Come on, do it. जल्दी जल्दी करेंगे.
प्लेयर्स आपकी रिस्ट बहुत फ्लेक्सिबल और पावरफुल भी होनी चाहिए. स्ट्रेंथ होनी चाहिए आपकी रिस्ट में, आपकी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी होनी चाहिए रिस्ट में, इसलिए रिस्ट की एक्सरसाइजेस करना बहुत जरूरी है. So do what ma'am is saying, do your wrist exercises. Good. In all effective
Just imagine you're
services.
riding your bike at the back. Enjoy. It's a way of life. Doing exercise is also a way of life. And especially during this COVID time, we need to keep ourselves very fit. Wonderful. We'll move on to the next one, 10th one. Now, all of you sit down. Watch the picture. Okay, come on to your knees. Can you see me? Just come on to your knees. Bend down. Bend and stretch forward. When you're stretching forward, your shoulder should stretch very much forward. Hands around, हाथ जमीन पे लगाकर आपको मूव करना है आगे. Keep your head down. Back again.
अपनी कमर से आगे की तरफ जाइए. आप लोग जितना अपने आप को आगे की तरफ, आगे नीचे, ये साई का फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी टेस्ट भी है. गो फॉरवर्ड, स्ट्रेच पूरी कमर. आप देखो हाउ शी इज डूइंग. कमर से आगे जाइए. गुड.
When you're coming back, you can take your breath back. When you're going forward, after reaching, you leave your breath. Wonderful.
अपनी चेस्ट को फ्लोर की तरफ, अपनी चेस्ट को फ्लोर की तरफ करिए. अपनी चेस्ट को जमीन पे लगाने की कोशिश करिए और अपने हाथों के बीच में अपने सिर को ले जाइए, जितना आगे ले जा सकते हैं. Very good.
Let's do it one more time.
Bhavya, very good. Come on. I can see all the children are doing very well. प्रियांशी, आप बैठे हुए हो? Tanuja, wonderful. Very good. Harish, very good. Ved is also doing very good. Ankit. Yes, ma'am, all are doing.
Very good. All of you are doing wonderfully. We'll move on to the next slide. This will be in a standing position. Okay, stand straight. Watch the picture. Okay, legs little apart from the shoulder leg. Okay, keep yourself steady and keep your hand at your hip and then bend towards right. Straight, then back again. The other hand, you relax. The other exercise, pull and you can do it in standing position only. I will do it for you. The same thing. Pull it down like the other one like this. You have to pull it straight to the towards side. You can see my other hand. Pull it. Keep the hand straight. Pull it. Okay. Now we'll move on to the other exercise. Sujit sir, next slide please. Very good, very good. All of you are doing very well. Relax a little bit. Take a breath.
Players have some water and do your exercise. Mr. Chauhan, very good.
All of you can have some water.
Good, Akshita. Kanish Vashish. Good. Do exercise properly.
How is the weather there, ma'am? Chennai में तो बहुत गर्मी है.
Yeah, everywhere it is the same temperature. So children, you have taken water. Let's go for the next exercise.
Next slide, sir. Yeah. Now this particular exercise is on floor once again. This is lumbar extension. Lumbar is nothing but your spinal cord. Okay? Lower spinal cord and abdominal stretch. When you do this particular exercise, you will be stretching your abdomen, that is your tummy, stomach. Okay? Be gentle. If sore, sore means if you have any problem in the stomach, be gentle. Do it with your comfort. Who are all already in comfortable condition, they can stretch. Okay? Okay, let's start. Lie down on the ground. Go straight.
सब लोग उल्टे लेट जाइए और ऊपर उठने की कोशिश करिए.
Come to up. Lie down and upside down.
उल्टा लेटना है, पेट के बल लेटिए। यस,
ठीक है, स्टे देयर फॉर अ व्हाइल।
आप एक्सरसाइज देखिए।
Again, come up. Go back. Come on, come back again. Go down. Come back again.
प्लेयर्स, अगर आप एक्सरसाइज अच्छे से करेंगे तो आप अपनी स्क्रीन पे अच्छे से दिखेंगे। डोंट लुक एट योर स्क्रीन, वी कैन सी यू एवरी टाइम। आप सब लोग अच्छे से दिखाई दे रहे हैं। आर रितेश इज डूइंग वेरी वेल। संजित गायब है, पता नहीं कहाँ है। प्रियांशी डूइंग वेरी वेल।
I really
देवदर्शनी,
enjoyed doing this exercise. I feel nice stretch at the back, at my abdomen as well as on my back. Really feel relaxed.
वसुमिता, वेरी गुड। शिवकला सुब्रमण्यम,
We'll move on to the
good,
next
good.
slide.
She is doing on top roof. Very good.
Vishwajit sir, we'll move on to the next one.
Siddharth HTTA. Good.
Next one. Yeah. Just वैसे उल्टे वापस आ जाइए अपने पीठ पे। As shown in the picture, just flex your both the legs together. Hold it with your both hands and bring it to 90 degrees as shown in the picture. It's quite easy to do it and very simple but effective. Karo bachcho, get back, quick, we'll finish it up fast. Get back.
All the players अपने हाथों को घुटने की तरफ बांधकर ये लॉक करके हैंड लॉक करिए और अपने घुटनों को अपने पेट की तरफ खींचिए। Yes, this
Come on,
is।
do it. Lumbar flexion.
आपका
Stretch.
सिर नहीं उठना चाहिए। आपका सिर नहीं उठेगा। आपके घुटने आपके पेट की तरफ खींचिए। अपने लंबर को अपने अपर बॉडी पार्ट की तरफ खींचिए।
Do it gently.
वेरी गुड। वेद, this exercise is lumbar flexion stretch. अपने घुटनों को चेस्ट की तरफ ले जाने की कोशिश करिए। एंड अपनी कमर सीधी फ्लोर पर। This will give the extension flexion to your lumbar.
We'll move on to the next one. The 14th exercise, this is called lumbar rotation stretch. In the same position, we'll be going like a clock pendulum, left to the right and right to the left, without hand support, no hands. Come on, start doing as shown in the picture. I'll also demonstrate for you.
Yes, all the players, same position, lift your knee, lift your knee. अपनी कमर को फ्लोर पे टिका कर रखिए and try to rotate. ऊपर घुमाइए, हाँ, yes. Right to left, left to right. Not like this. हर्षित, मोड़ के रखो पैरों को और मोड़ के ही घुमाना है. Yes, rotate. Yes. ये लंबर फ्लेक्शन की अगली एक्सरसाइज है. बहुत ज्यादा एक्सटेंशन नहीं होता इसमें, पर आप इसको उन्हीं जगह पे घुटनों को घुमाइए धीरे धीरे अपनी जगह पे. कमर कनिष्ठ, कमर एकदम सीधी, कनिष्ठ कशिष्ठ. कैमरा देखने से अच्छा है, एक्सरसाइज करिए. वेरी गुड.
Very nice, very nice. Everybody is doing very well. Come on. Please move on to the next one. Fifteenth exercise. You all can see in the picture shown your hamstring stretch. This particular exercise is hamstring stretch. You need to lift your leg straight up and hold with the both hands and pull it towards you. Do it comfortably and gently. Don't stretch much beyond limits. Okay? Foot should be pointed upward. Pull back towards the knee. I'll show you again. Hold on, pull it. Other leg should be free. Leave it free and pull this leg up. Other leg shouldn't be flexed. It should be straight to the ground. And then down. Do it with the other leg also. Stretch, stretch. As much possible only do it. Down. Stretch, hold on, pull towards you, the other leg onto the ground. Back onto the ground, the other leg.
इसको घुटने से मत खींचिए, थाइस पे अपनी फिंगर लॉक करके अपनी तरफ खींचना है और 90 डिग्री सीधा रखो पैर अपना, घुटना मत मोड़ो. यस, लॉक योर फिंगर एंड थाइस के ऊपर रख के हैमस्ट्रिंग को अपनी तरफ पुल करो. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. यस, all are doing very well.
Yeah, nice. Very good.
Good job. Good.
Very good flexibility. All of them are having good flexibility. Wonderful. That's nice.
Both the leg.
Very good.
Both the leg, right and left, turn by turn.
Move on to the next one. Hamstring stretch. Next slide, please. Yeah, now come back to sitting position. You all know this exercise very well. We'll be doing it every day in our practice session to give a good flexibility to the upper body. Yeah, take your position. We'll finish it up fast. Another 4 are there, that's it. Sit straight, hold one leg towards front shoulders. Like this, okay? Stretch. Stretch and hold for a while. Come back. Same with the other leg. Change your leg.
All the players, very good. Dev Darshini doing very well.
The next exercise, the 17. Vishwajit sir. Yeah, this particular exercise is called abductor stretch. You all should know what the exercise is called. Abductor stretch. How to do it? Push down with the elbow, one knee, on knees, very gently. Keep your back straight. Okay? I'll give you a demo again. Sit straight. Keep both the leg palm together like this. Feet together. Hold on and keep your elbows straight like this and push with your elbows. Come back. It's like a butterfly. Come back and then stretch, stretch. Push with your elbows. Ready? Come back. Resist your elbows. Your legs should resist your elbows and push, push, push. And then get back. Again. Push, push, push. There should be resistance from both sides when you are doing it. Push, push, push. So that you can feel a stretch. Yeah, good, good. All of you are doing very well. Wonderful, wonderful. We'll move on to the next slide. Vishwajit sir. This is called 18th exercise, gluten stretch. How to do it? Pull knee and low leg towards opposite shoulder. You have to pull it to the opposite shoulder. You have to bring your knee to the opposite shoulder.
प्लेयर्स अपने लेफ्ट घुटने को अपने राइट शोल्डर की तरफ लेके खींचिए और ले जाइए अपने हाथों से, दोनों हाथों से अपने लेफ्ट घुटने को अपने राइट शोल्डर की तरफ स्ट्रेच कीजिए एंड राइट को लेफ्ट शोल्डर की, लेफ्ट घुटने को, लेफ्ट नी को राइट शोल्डर की तरफ स्ट्रेच करें.
Do it gently. That's nice.
आपकी कमर फ्लोर पे रहनी चाहिए, सिर नहीं उठेगा। अपने घुटने को मोड़कर लेफ्ट राइट कंधे की तरफ टच करने की कोशिश कीजिए। प्लेयर्स, लेफ्ट को राइट कंधे तक ले जाने की कोशिश कीजिए अपने हाथों से, और राइट को लेफ्ट कंधे की तरफ खींचिए। इससे आपकी ग्लूटियस मसल्स में स्ट्रेच आएगा।
Very nice, very nice. You are doing very well. Wonderful. We'll move on to the next one, but it is the last and last one. 19th one. Totally 20 exercises today we have done. Yeah, this is called gluteal and lumbar rotation stretch. See, what you have to do is sit straight, keep both the legs straight, and overlap your other leg onto the another feet, and then take the elbow support and pull it towards you like this, as shown in the picture. Picture will remain as it is. Watch. Opposite hand and turn towards this side.
ऑल द प्लेयर्स, एक पैर को सीधा कीजिए और दूसरे पैर को उस पर क्रॉस करिए। जो पैर आपका ऊपर होगा वही हाथ आपका पीछे जाएगा, एंड अपनी बॉडी को हाथ की तरफ टर्न करिए। दिस इज ग्लूटल एंड लंबर रोटेशन स्ट्रेच। आपकी पूरी बॉडी टर्न करेगी, पूरी बॉडी स्ट्रेच होगी, पैरों से लेकर हाथ तक।
Like this, turn your body.
टर्न योर बॉडी। जो हाथ आपने पीछे रखा है उस हाथ को देखने की कोशिश करिए।
And turn your head also to that particular side. On free hand side. Yeah, wonderful. That's nice. Yeah.
Hold the player both side.
Come on, Maitreyan. Keep your back a little straight. Yeah. That's it. Get back to normal position. Next slide, please. The last one. Vishwajit sir, last one. Yeah, this is quite easy but very effective. Your entire nervous system will be activated. It looks very simple, but I'm also putting it in very simple fashion for you people, not going into too much of technical aspect of the exercise. Yeah, lie down on your stomach. Lie down on your stomach. Badhiya, badhiya. Yeah, lie down. Hold one leg and hold the leg with both hands. The feet you have to hold, not the leg, the feet as shown in the picture. Pull towards your back. See the arrow given towards you like this. Pull the leg towards the side. Other leg. Do it with the other leg. Yeah. Pull it towards you. Hold the feet, not the leg. पाँव को पकड़ना है, feet को पकड़ना है, ankle को नहीं. Yes. I think Chennai children also started understanding Hindi now.
Yeah, they listen all the songs and Hindi movies. How can they not understand? They will.
Yeah. I think they'll all be traveling around. They'll hear, but they can't only talk back.
Very good. All the children are doing very well. Good.
Wonderful. Now we'll just relax for 30 seconds and then we'll close the session. Lie down onto the floor as I shown in a relaxed fashion. Okay? Keep your both hands on sideways. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Relax. Entire body relax. You all can hear your heartbeat now. You can feel your entire body, what is happening, how much it warmed up. Lie down, lie down. 30 seconds, I said. Another 10 seconds. Feel your body. What it's talking to you. What is happening inside. Concentrate on your breath. See how your breathing is coming down slowly to the normal. All 20 exercises are highly beneficial for upper body as well as to your lower body. I hope all the children had a good stretch today. They all enjoyed.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
all of you turn to the left and slowly get up. आपका लेफ्ट की तरफ मुड़ के धीरे से get up. You are not supposed to get up straight up at any point of time every day, even when you get up from your bed. Okay? Thank you, children. We all had a wonderful session. Thank you, Suman ma'am. You had been a big support throughout the session. Of course, Vishwajit sir, need not to mention, he's all the time with us, tirelessly. And I thank Sports Authority of India as well as Table Tennis Federation of India for giving me this opportunity. Suman ma'am, once I personally thank you, though I didn't see you all these days. We used to meet on Facebook and things like that. Thank you so much.
Thank you, all the players. Thank you, Sports Authority of India. Tomorrow, again, we will meet Dr. Sumiti for another exercises. Today, all the children, thank you so much. It is an active session. So happy that all are done very well. So, thank you, Vishwajit sir, for your cooperation.
Thank you, ma'am. My pleasure.
Okay.
We'll close the session.
Sujit sir, I personally thank you for your support.
Welcome, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Children,
Welcome,
tomorrow
sir.
again we will
Okay.
join.
We're just taking a poll. We'll just take a feedback and then we'll close within a minute.
Vishwajit?
Yes, ma'am. We are just taking a poll. It's a
You can give the tomorrow poll. Yeah, and tomorrow screen also. Do you have tomorrow planned?
No, ma'am. That will be shared by Atul sir, and then I'll put it up.
Okay.
So thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining in for today's session. And
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
tomorrow.